Okay everyone, this is a simple tutorial on how to use the Canva application and to write your answer, to write the names for our listening activity on page 85. So just use whatever we already know, and we are going to choose the design, the card design, and make sure you use the blank one, the blank template there. Okay, you have it, and upload the picture. Upload the picture. We have it here, the slide. Wait for it to be upload in your Canva application and select the picture. So once you have it, resize the picture first. Make sure it fits. Okay, that is good enough. And you may find it difficult to see it because it's quite small, the picture. So use your two fingers to enlarge the picture. Just use your two fingers to enlarge the picture. Alright, and then bring it to the part of which you have to write the answer. Next, what you can do is click on the add button, add the text, and add a subheading. Add a subheading. Delete the wordings there. Write down the answer. For example, it's Mr. Haziq, and then you resize it a little bit, put it nicely, and you should have it there. Okay, so if you have troubles like me, the thing is like moving once you have put it there, don't worry, just scroll to the left on this part until the last one, of which the lock button. Once you locked it, then it won't follow you wherever you go. So after you have done it, go to the next one, and then again the text, add a subheading, delete it, and put it the answer. Let's say again Mr. Haziq. Resize a little bit, bring it down there, and perhaps a little bit more. And again, if it's moving like this, it's not moving, but if it's moving with you, again you scroll to the left and make sure to lock it. Okay, so the thing is, to lock it, the wordings, the text won't go anywhere, it will stay there. Okay, once you have done everything, use the down arrow on the top right corner, save it, and then send it to the Telegram group. So that will be all. If you have any problems, do ask me. Goodbye everyone.